आपके पास दो प्रोड्यूसर आते हैं, एक हॉलीवुड, एक बॉलीवुड, दोनों बड़ी कंपनी है। एक यशराज ले लो, एक यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियो।
ओके
Hi guys, this is Kishore from Red Carpet and we are excited to be here again with our third episode of Dream Big. So today we have with us Vipasha. She is a fashion diva with more than 500,000 followers, guys. So Vipasha, sorry, thank you so much for coming on this podcast. And
My pleasure.
our viewers are more than excited to learn from you, your journey and what you've achieved. I'm inspired. I keep telling you all the time. I look at your socials and we're so glad that you're here on this podcast. So before we get into this question and answer session, Pasha, I just want to know from you, where you've reached today and where you were. How do you feel? Do you feel like you've arrived, or you're just at a tipping point where you feel from here it's like the next level? Just want to kind of understand from you the feeling. A lot of people, when they come into this field of becoming influencer, there's a lot of unrest, anxiety. When they get into movies, they want to get into movies. There's a lot of anxiety, which I guess, from what I understand from you, is that could be your next
right yeah
next level where you want to go into.
Right.
But yeah, please.
Yeah, so having come from a family with no media background, since childhood, I always wanted to get into the entertainment industry. Like, I still remember when I used to see all the big stars on TV, I used to ask mom, कि ये लोग कहाँ से दिखते हैं, कहाँ से? And I used to, back those days we have this TV ना, bigger वाले पीछे की तरफ. So I used to peep on those TVs and where are these people? I want to be there. So, but again, coming from a family wherein education ही सब कुछ है, पढ़ाई सब कुछ है. So yes, I was very good in my studies. So until 12th तो मैंने सोच ही लिया था कि मुझे बाद में एक्टिंग करना है, लेकिन दिमाग में ये था कि अभी नहीं यार, सोसाइटी को ये चाहिए वो चाहिए, देन आई विल बिकम अ प्रोफेसर. सो दैट्स हाउ विच इज़ व्हाई आई डिड माय graduation. And after some time I understood, yeah, like this is not what I really want to do. So I came to Bombay, not knowing ki what's next. So I set for my college placement purposely for Bombay because that was my ticket to Bombay. So I took that job and I knew it. So now I'm in Bombay, I'm gonna figure out what's next. So वो सी जॉब को करते करते आई वॉज ऑल्सो डूइंग सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसिंग 9 to 5 job. I come back home, I do my research, how to make content, how to produce content, what's next. Every Sunday I shoot, and this was going on for a really long time. And back then I used to look up to all the bigger influencers who are the category A influencers, and touch wood, today I'm working with those. And yeah, so it has been quite a journey from 2018 to 2025 today. I am very happy with the risk that I have taken of coming to Bombay, living my 9 to 5 job, and doing what I love most. And days are sometimes I'm shooting for longer hours. Still, I don't feel that, my body might be tired, but my mind is not tired, which is why my body is not tired again. Yeah. So it feels great. And now, like, I'm that person who never stops. So now I'm like, what's next? इतना हो गया, अभी और कुछ करना है, इससे ज्यादा करना है. So yeah.
Amazing. चलो चलते हैं आपकी beginnings पे. Pasha, can you walk us through a day in your life? Like, what does it typically look like, or used to look like then, and now what
Okay.
is it now?
Right,
Come to
okay,
compare
sure.
it.
Sure. There and now, so if I go back to 2019, for example, when I came to Bombay, so then I wake up, then go to my भाग भाग के ऑफिस जाना है. और कुछ भी मतलब लाइफ में, मतलब कुछ भी वो बॉम्बे में रहने के लिए करना था. भाग भाग के ऑफिस जाओ, भाग भाग के वहीं पे काम करो, बॉस जो बोल रहे हैं वही करो, जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर गेटिंग दैट सैलरी. और मुझे बॉम्बे में रहना है, इन्फ्लुएंसिंग करना है, एक्टिंग करना है, इन सब के लिए आई हैड टू डू दैट. सो देयर वाज नो लाइफ, देयर वाज नो बिपाशा इन दैट, आई वुड से. बहुत कुछ मन था उस टाइम से करने के लिए, बट नहीं यार, काम करो, घर आओ, वापस कंटेंट क्रिएशन के लिए अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करो. दैट वाज द टाइम आई एंजॉयड कि ओके, फ्रॉम 7 PM to 11 PM इन द नाइट आई यूज टू प्रिपेयर माई सेल्फ कि अभी क्या बनाओ, क्या स्क्रिप्ट आएगा. सो दैट वाज द ओनली टाइम आई वॉज लिविंग बैक देन. बट टुडे आई एम लिविंग एवरी डे. So I wake up, I work out a lot. I love working out. That is my way of self love. I work out for almost 2 hours in the gym. I come back home. If I'm shooting, I'll have my shoot. And if I'm not shooting, then I'll have my BTS ka kaam, like behind the scenes jo bhi kaam hota hai, scripting, meeting the brands, working on my craft, making like what content to be posted next. So all these things with my team that will go on. I also have a small dog that's a Shih Tzu. I spend time with him. I love him. We like I make sure to be with him. Yeah, and I'm also somebody who loves learning a lot. I am learning pole dancing. I'm all yes, yes. That's my newfound interest.
Great.
I love swimming. I go for a swim. I'm a national level swimmer, by the way. Yes, and I do Bharatnatyam as well. So I do a lot many things in a day-to-day life. अगर Monday को मैंने pole dance किया तो maybe Tuesday को I'll be doing swimming. So it's like that. Yeah.
Man, where do you find all this energy?
It's all in there.
Okay. Okay. You grew up in Assam, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, how did the culture
Mm-hmm.
influence your
Hmm.
beauty and fashion sense? Because
Interesting.
if you look at your social media,
Mm-hmm.
one thing that pops out is you
Mm-hmm.
are a fashion diva, a fashion icon.
Mm-hmm.
And how did that kind of your
Mm-hmm.
culture from where you came
Mm-hmm.
make you to be this icon in fashion?
Hmm. So somebody who has lived in Assam or born in Assam, it is very obvious they would be influenced by the tradition and the culture. And it is not just in Assam, the entire Northeast. I mean, the culture and tradition is very different from the rest of the India. Again, our culture and tradition does not mean it is very orthodox. So, for example, in a festival like Bihu, we see wide range of fashion coming out. It's a celebration of festival. It's a celebration of food, fashion, everything all together. Yeah, and before the Instagram age, like Instagram था ही नहीं. तो उसके पहले Assam, Northeast, Shillong, all these places, you go out and you see everywhere there's an Instagram influencer. We don't know about Instagram because everyone is wearing, oh, इसने क्या पहना, उसने क्या पहना. We have been living that Instagram age बहुत पहले से. Yeah, and trust me, वहाँ पे कोई गंदा कपड़ा पहन ही नहीं सकता है. किसी का फैशन खराब हो ही नहीं सकता है. Yeah, I can vouch you on that. Like all of them, like people from Northeast, our fashion sense is like amazing without even taking a course on that. Yeah. It's just in the blood, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's go back to your social
Hmm.
media journey. पहली बार, if you think back of your very first Instagram post,
Yes.
क्या आप कुछ बता सकते हैं? How was it about? How did you feel when you
Hmm.
look at it today?
A lot of things that comes out. Yeah, so my first Instagram post, that is my college performance, wherein I'm performing a Bharatnatyam and a fusion dance. Yeah. So when I look back to that post or many of my previous years, मतलब 2018, 19 के post जब मैं अभी भी देखती हूँ ना, I'm like, oh my God, what a growth, Bipasha. There was no knowledge of direction. But wo that zeal in me to do something, no knowledge of direction, no knowledge of scripting, फिर भी कुछ तो करना है.
हाँ.
Yeah, so I mean, I see my growth, I see my journey. That टाइम उस टाइम पे मैं कौन सा फैशन करती थी, आज मैं क्या करती हूँ, उस टाइम पे मेरा मेकअप क्या था, आज मेरा क्या है, उस टाइम पे मेरा एक्सप्रेशंस क्या थे, आज क्या है. सो आई एम ऑलवेज अमेज्ड बाय दैट. Yeah, and there are days when I go back to my page, I keep scrolling down on days when I'm demotivated. Wow, Vipasha, what is this growth? This is absolutely stunning. And that little Vipasha had no idea, she would be here someday. Somehow in her mind, it was very sure that she's gonna do something. But नहीं पता था यार चीज़ें ऐसे हो जाएंगी यहाँ से यहाँ पे मुंबई में इतना टाइम तक I'll be here and this will be my place. So it feels great.
Oh my God, what a journey. What a journey. Okay. Content creation comes with highs and lows, right? ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है.
Definitely, yeah.
Can you share a moment where you felt like giving up and like how you were able to overcome it? Because आजकल जो है बहुत सारे जन शुरू तो करते हैं, but then somewhere down the line they kind of just give up because of trolling or because of lack of money.
True.
है ना? तो आपने कैसे वो bridge को cross किया?
So honestly, I never had this feeling in myself ki I will give up. So I'm a person who does not give up easily. Yeah. So COVID ke time pe 2020, I still remember I had no job. And content creation industry उस time पे the brands they had no money. COVID was going on. So those 8 months, 6 8 months, उस time पे no money, nothing, no earning, but you have to make your content because अगर तुम content नहीं बनाओगे, you are out of the industry. The brand they will not recognize who you are. So those 6 8 months was very difficult for me. Just keep producing content but कुछ आ नहीं रहा है उससे. But तभी भी मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा कि I'll give up on it. I'm still very hopeful. As a person, I'm very hopeful always. So I think that has helped me a lot in my professional career.
Wow, that's a very very strong message that you're sending out.
I'm not sure if I answered correctly to your question. Yeah.
It's a very strong message which you're sending out because a lot of people today they just kind of let go, give it up.
Yeah.
They can't. Persistence is not there.
Exactly. Yeah. I think consistency is the key. You have to keep doing it, and there will be results for sure. And again, you have to accept the harsh realities of life, which is there. And you have to work smart, yaar. Hard work, to like, koi bhi karta hai. So if it's a combination of smart work and hard work, and you know your purpose, then yeah.
Moving on to my next question. When you started off, of course, आपने देखा होगा कि मुझे ये एरिया में जाना है. Maybe it's fashion, maybe it's lifestyle, maybe it's traveling, maybe it's food, maybe it's fitness. आपने कैसे डिसाइड किया कि नहीं मैं ये करूंगी and then was there any like a reference influencer where you said हाँ ये मुझे ये मैं कर सकती हूँ या ये मुझे करना है and then how's this fashion kind of beauty industry evolved with the rise of influencers because influencer thing was not existing
In India. Nowhere.
before COVID.
Yeah, yeah.
I think post COVID everything has kind of
Exactly.
just
Evolved. Yeah.
evolved, right? So if you could share some light on that.
Yeah, so you asking me about how did I find my niche, right? Answering to that, since childhood, as I told you, I've always been very fashionable. So I see my mom putting lipstick घर पे ही. तो सोचो मतलब घर पे ब्यूटी चल रहा है एंड बचपन से लाइक मुझे ना उट पटांग सी कपड़े पहनना बहुत पसंद है आई डोंट लाइक वेयरिंग आउटफिट्स विच इज एवरीबडी इज वेयरिंग आई लव वेयरिंग थिंग्स विच स्टैंड्स आउट या सो इफ वी आर गोइंग टू सेलिब्रेट बर्थडे और मे बी किसी के घर पे जा रहे हैं तो मैं फिर भी लाइक आई विल डू सम वियर्ड सा हेयर स्टाइल यहाँ पे पोनी बांध लिया यहाँ पे 2 बन बांध लिया विच विल मेक नो सेंस पीपल विल laugh at me but I just love it because I'm standing out so that's how my taste in fashion has evolved over the years and that's how I understood that I love fashion. So while starting the page I was doing only fashion but later I realized I'm very good at makeup. So while posting a few makeup videos I understood my audience they love my makeup as well and
So
us- yeah, thank you. Yeah, done by myself. Thank you. So uske baad, it was my first international trip in 2019 to Thailand. So uske baad, I also realized, oh, I can make nice travel content as well. I'm good at that as well because not everybody who does beauty can do travel or who does travel can do fashion. So ye hai cheez. So somebody who does lifestyle, I do lifestyle, which is a big umbrella of fashion, beauty, travel, everything. Yeah, so I understood कि मैं ये भी कर सकती हूँ. So that's how I understood my niche. I can do lifestyle. Yeah. And again, coming to how the beauty and fashion industry has evolved with the influencers, right? Yeah. So initially क्या था हमारा जो conventional magazines we have TVC advertisements. So वहाँ पे we only see the big stars, right? Kareena Kapoor Khan, Kajol, and all of that. When she's wearing that dress, and when somebody who wears that dress, that makes a difference, right? उनको देख के already audience के दिमाग में वो psychology बैठ ही जाता है. Oh my God, Kareena Kapoor Khan is wearing that dress. वो मुझे कैसे अच्छा लगेगा? She's a diva. How would I look good on that dress? But now what's happening? The influencers, they are posting things unfiltered. They're reviewing about things. They're doing things in a way, style is accessible to anybody. It's not about age, it's not about height, body, color, background. So influencers are making style accessible to anybody, to everybody. So that's how the influencers, they make a difference, and there is trust in that because we are girl boy next door. Yeah, with some good number of followers definitely, but we are people next door. Like Bipasha पहन रही है, तो I can also try it, right? And ये इंडस्ट्री अभी आगे जाके, आई वुड से इन्फ्लुएंसर्स आर वेरी मच इन्वॉल्व इन मेकिंग अ ब्रांड कैंपेन, लाइक डिजाइंस क्या होगा, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कलेक्शन एडिडास विल बी मेकिंग, सो ऑल सॉर्ट ऑफ कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस इन्फ्लुएंसर्स आर ऑलरेडी डूइंग. या
You mentioned about your travel and your lifestyle that you're making videos on, which I've seen very, very beautiful, I should say that. Can you share one travel destination that completely transformed your perspective on life and creativity?
Okay, so recently I traveled to Finland, and oh my god, I was amazed. Because I have always been that person who is like, "कि what's next? What's next? इतना मतलब अभी ये क्या, अभी next क्या?" So I've always been doing that, and I don't take, life very easily. कि okay, pause down a bit or something. कभी कभार कर लेती हूँ, but not that. So when I went to Finland, I saw a whole new perspective. तो वहाँ पे दोपहर, आई मीन सन तो रहता ही नहीं है, थोड़े टाइम के लिए रहता है, दैट इज जस्ट फॉर 3 hours. स्टिल पीपल आर लिविंग लाइफ, टेकिंग इट स्लो, डूइंग देयर वर्क, बट लिविंग लाइफ, है ना. सो आई एम लाइक, ओके बादशाह, समटाइम्स इट्स ओके टू जस्ट रिलैक्स,
Good job.
रुक जाओ, आराम से करो. या
So I've seen that on your socials.
Yeah.
Very, very, the one with the ice and all that, right?
यस यस, स्नो वाइट ब्लैंकेट ऑल ओवर. एंड उस टाइम पे मेरा एनजाइटी, टेंशन, अभी जाके क्या काम है, सब कुछ मैं भूल गई, सीरियसली. वन शुड गो डेफिनेटली. या
Okay. If you were to create a travel kind of a vlog series, um, what is the message that I've seen a lot of your videos, whether it's fashion or whether it's makeup or whether it's travel. What is the takeaway that you want your audience to take? Of course, one could be for brand point of view, but not if you make everything for brand, it gets very boring, right?
Of course, yeah.
So when you don't do it for a brand and you do it to share your experiences,
Right,
like,
yeah.
guys, look at this Finland, it's amazing, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
What is the takeaway that you want for your audience, for your
Correct.
community when they come to your social media?
Right. So whenever I travel to a place, if the brand is not involved, then if that is my personal travel, okay, take it like that. अगर मेरा खुद का है, then I have to do a lot of YouTube research कि उस जगह में कैसे जाना है, क्या क्या करना है, कौन सी फ्लाइट लेनी है, खर्चे वगैरह सब कुछ देखना होता है. So I see that the travel creators, they can do, because I still have so many questions. Before planning the Finland trip, I had so many questions, but not all of the questions were answered. For example, a simple question would be, Santa Claus village का ticket है कि नहीं वहाँ पे. सिंपल क्वेश्चन, जस्ट गिविंग यू एन एग्जाम्पल. सो नॉट एवरीथिंग इज आंसर्ड इन वन ब्लॉग. या अगर यू हैव टू सी लाइक 100 व्लॉग्स टू गेट 100 आंसर्स. सो अगर सब कुछ एक ही व्लॉग में होता, पार्ट बाय पार्ट, मे बी दैट वुड हैव बीन ग्रेट. या
Okay. Which is that one skincare hack you swear by that everyone should know about? I think your skin is glowing.
थैंक यू.
I'm sure your viewers would like to know that. इसका राज क्या है?
हाँ, इसका राज बोल देंगे तो आपका भी वैसा हो जाएगा. So anyway, so I would say SPF. So many people, they avoid the sunscreen. That is something you should not avoid. And depending on your skin type, you should use your moisturizer. Do not avoid your moisturizer and your SPF. So these are the two things. I always believe in not doing like 7-step or 9-step skincare routine, because 7-9 step की जिसको मन नहीं है वो क्यों करेगा यार. वो आलसी इंसान तो पहले ही डर जाएगा इतना लंबा skincare. And somebody who does not have money, why would that person be spending so much of money? And again, for the skin, again, it is not good ki 7 to 10 step wala karo. Two things. Yeah, just use your moisturizer and your sunscreen. Yeah.
Perfect. Now, I also notice your fashion style is unique compared to the others. How do you decide on your signature looks?
So, coming to my looks, as I told you, whenever I don't go with something which is trending. I don't like being, bheer ka hissa. I want to stand out.
Showstopper.
Yeah, showstopper. Yeah, that's more my vibe. Yes.
I saw that.
Yeah. So recently I was wearing a green color ka parrot kind of a jacket in Paris. Then there were comments like Tota, Tota, and people were literally looking at me. You have to go and see that on my page. And people were looking at me, what is she wearing? And some people, they came up to me and they were like, audacity. I mean, guts that do carry this? And oh my god, like serious, it was weirdest of the weird comments that I was getting. And yes, those are the things that I really love, something which is, challenging at the same time you can carry with confidence. And whenever I go to a mall, I don't do this, कि इसके बाद क्या है, I never do this. I just, see my eyes like a, scanner, कि अच्छा कौन सा stand out कर रहा है, तो उसमें से I will pick up. And whenever I'm doing online shopping, I'll just keep scrolling very fast. Something which actually caught my attention, then I'll go buy it. Yes, and it depends on my mood as well. So today I was feeling, to wear something which gives you a very chic look at the same time, also like, a businesswoman. So again, it's a combination of both. Yeah.
Okay. uh, if you were to collaborate with any global brand in the beauty or fashion industry, which one would be and why?
Honestly, I would go with an Indian brand.
Okay.
He is a global name for sure, but he's an Indian, Manish Malhotra and Abujani Sandeep. Yeah, so those are the names I really want to work with, collaborate with. Yes.
Okay, so I hope Manish and Mujani.
Yes, please manifesting this.
Okay. If you were to like bifurcate, so this I'll talk a little bit from the people who want to make a career out of this. And you had three verticals: fashion, skincare or makeup, let's put it, and third is travel, which is lifestyle. Out of these three, which ones is the ones which is the most rewarding in terms of earnings? And how does one go about actually? Like, how does one become a fashionist, reach out to brands, travel overseas, get paid for it, because again you have the crew also over there, unless he shoots or she shoots with his own camera. So if you could kind of break it down for somebody who really wants to start and share some low hanging fruit where ज़्यादा effort तो सब में होता है, लेकिन ज़्यादा effort in the sense he doesn't have to come up with more money, नौकरी छोड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, फिर वो एक बहुत sensitive हो जाता है घर पे.
Of course.
So if you could kind of share a little bit on that.
Yeah, so see, fashion, beauty, and travel, all of this needs money. Because if you don't have the right makeup products, तो आप दिखाओगे कैसे? या फिर okay, एक बार दिखा लिया, दूसरी बार क्या दिखाओगे? You have to keep buying and upgrading your makeup products, your vanity. Again, with outfits, the same thing. Travel as well. So if you don't have the money, how do you do your first travel? India में हो, कहीं पे भी हो, but that will require some amount of money. How do you do your flight tickets, your hotels, right? So all of this requires some amount of money initially. While coming to things like technological stuff and finance, if you have the knowledge, you don't have to invest. There will be some investment for sure, but not like the beauty, travel, and the fashion industry. Yeah. And home decor में भी काफी investment है. Exactly, ज्ञान बांटो. Exactly, yeah, ज्ञान बांटो. उसमें आप बैठ जाओ कैमरा के सामने. What you know, you.
Yes, I
Yeah.
mutual fund में डालो.
Exactly, yeah. So if you're talking कि बिना पैसे डाले हुए अगर कुछ कर सकते हैं, so I would recommend this
Go
one.
into that.
Yeah.
हाँ.
And yes, you also asked me कौन सा ज़्यादा चलता है. So in India, the beauty industry is doing amazing. In India, the beauty industry is in another level. Yeah.
Vipasha, what's next after fashion, lifestyle, skincare? What's next?
So yes, what's next is I want to get into the screen. I want to get into movies, web series. I want to get into acting. So yes, that's.
So, are you doing something about it? Like taking some acting course, doing join some theater, drama? What are you doing? If you can share.
So currently, I am doing my acting course from the Actors Truth,
Okay.
which is sort of Sachdeva's school
The guy who acted in
in
Animal.
Animal. Yes, Sacred Games.
Secret Games. I think
Yes.
the recent one was
Pushpa.
Pushpa.
Yes. Jaane Ja.
Oh yes.
Yes, there are many more movies. He's a great coach. So I'm getting trained from there. Yeah, and doing my best.
Okay, so I'm glad you are going through the process of learning the craft,
Mm-hmm.
right? Because a lot of people um, are aspirational,
Mm-hmm.
but they are not trained.
Mm-hmm.
You're
True.
a trained actor. If you know the craft,
Right.
obviously you stand a better chance.
Right, of course.
And plus, you already have 500,000 followers. So I'm sure all your followers will want to watch you on.
They want me to be there. Yes, yes. I get so many DMs, so many messages.
Including myself.
Oh, thank you. So they're like, Vipasha, now it's high time. We
Yeah.
want to see you on the movies, on web series. So yeah, they will be very happy.
I'm sure it's coming in 2025. Okay, so if you could pick any movie or role
Mhm.
you want to debut in, what would it be?
Mhm.
And who would you like to be your co-star?
Okay, interesting. Om Shanti Om, Shanti Priya. Yeah, and my co-star would be Salman Khan, sir. Yeah, and Shah Rukh Khan, sir, as well. Both of them
Okay.
together. Yeah, I really love the debut of Deepika Padukone. No, back I think I was in class 6, 5, 6 yeah back then. And trust me, उस टाइम पे मुझे इतना knowledge भी नहीं है Bollywood क्या है. The moment I started watching the movie, when I started seeing Deepika making her entry in the movie, I went to my terrace and I was crying all alone. I was crying because she's there in the movie. Why am I not there? And an overthinker child in just class 5. Oh my god, this is something really funny now when I tell my mom and dad. They were like, seriously, हमें क्यों नहीं बोला? नहीं बोलने वाली बात थोड़ी ना है.
It's like personal thing, right?
Very personal, yeah. And they will not even understand. पागल वागल है किसी और को देख के खुद रो रही है.
और बोल के अगर झाड़ दिया तो ये क्या?
ये क्या?
Mathematics है, पढ़ाई
True,
करो.
exactly. पढ़ाई करो, अपने mathematics में ध्यान दो, yeah. True.
So you will want to kind of completely draw the line and move into your acting career, assuming you
Mm-hmm.
get a role,
Mm-hmm.
or it would be like I will do both. I'll also be an influencer and I'll also kind of continue.
See, me loving beauty and fashion, I will make sure to be there for sure. But ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है कि I think अभी जैसे मैं कर रही हूँ, this is only my work. So maybe there will be some sort of difference, yeah. And I want to explore that, yeah.
Yeah, why not? Why not? Why not? लेकिन आप you mentioned Salman sir, you mentioned Shah Rukh sir. So are you only looking at Bollywood, or are you also looking at South films or even Hollywood?
Of course, why not? I'm open to all. I would love if I get any offer from South on Hollywood, why not? Yeah. I'm open to it, yeah. बस offers आनी चाहिए यार, वही है.
नहीं क्यों नहीं आएंगे? I mean, you are working towards it. So आप
I'm manifesting, yeah.
you're manifesting it, so why not? And I'm very confident कि आप जल्दी पहुंचेंगे वहाँ पर.
Oh, thank you.
Let's go back to your influencer
Mm-hmm.
life.
Mm-hmm.
This is again for the people who are watching you, who are inspirational. वो उस स्टेज पे जब आपने शुरुआत की थी, तो मुझे एक बताइए कि एक इन्फ्लुएंसर फ्रॉम अ करियर स्टैंड पॉइंट
Mm-hmm.
क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस रखना चाहिए कि हमें इन टर्म्स ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट व्हाट दे शुड बी रेडी फॉर, इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ टाइम, इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ मनी. जैसे कि आपने शुरुआत की
हाँ.
पहले आपको how much you are making
Yeah, yeah.
and visibly where you are right now. You don't have to give the exact numbers, but you could say I've gone 10x, I've gone 100x. So if you could share those little numbers, then people will say, "Acha, this is what I need to be
Sure.
investing."
Right, yeah.
If you can share a little bit on that.
Sure, sure. So initially, after posting religiously for 1 year, I got my first brand deal, which was a barter collaboration. So let me specify you 3 kinds of collaboration here. First is barter, which is they give you the product and you promote it and you show it on your page. So that's a barter deal because you get a chance to work with the brand.
And
The
reward is you keep the product.
you keep the product, yeah, yes. And the second type is paid. So once you reach a certain level, you get paid promotion, wherein the brand will send you their product, and because you are promoting it, you will get the amount out of the campaign. Yeah. तो आपका जो भी commercial है उस हिसाब से they will pay you.
Usually
Yeah.
क्या arrange होता है? अगर आप
Usu-
share कर सकते हो.
See, usually it depends on creator to creator. It is not necessarily कि ऐसा हो कि किसी का 100K है, A and B का 100K दोनों का है, दोनों का same commercials होगा. No, it's not like that. So if A is being preferred more by the brands and has more relatable content that the brand thinks okay she is the right pick for us, then they will pay A more rather having both of them the same number of followers. Yes, and initially when I first got my brand deal, after 1 year of posting my work on Instagram, I got my first brand. It was some juice brand, okay? Bee Bounce drinks, yeah. So, and I was like, wow, finally I got it because I kept looking up to the influencers. Everyone is doing this, that. I wanted to be there. And like, okay, finally I got it. So I did the shoot in my college. I called up a photographer and he did it for free. Like it was, he wanted some content and usko bhi content mil gaya. So, and I then started getting barter collaborations जहाँ पे मुझे पैसे नहीं मिलते हैं. And ये भी मैं कर रही थी, बहुत दिलो जान से कर रही थी. And this kept on going for almost like 6 months. After those 6 months, after 1.5 years of posting and also doing barter collaboration, I got my paid deal. And it was just 4 rupees. I think उस time pay 1500 rupees. Only 1500 rupees to make an Instagram post, a photo post, and stories भी डाल देते हैं और बहुत कुछ था उसमें, ठीक है. So that's how I started. And my friends who were not influencers, who were my like college mates or maybe my flatmates, they were like Vipasha 1500 के लिए कौन ही काम करता है. But I'm like मेरा डायलॉग एक ही था, शाहरुख खान रोज शाहरुख खान कैसे शाहरुख खान एक ही दिन में बन गया क्या. That was my dialogue every day. ये तो बस बहुत ज़्यादा डायलॉग देती है. So like kahin se to you have to start, yeah. Yahan se if you don't start, how do you reach there? Yeah, you have to climb the ladder like this. You can't do a chalang and then you'll fall down, right? So I started with that $1,500, and today I will not definitely tell you like how much money I'm making, but it's like a way lot of क्या बताओ, बहुत difference है, बहुत difference है. I'm sure you would know creator economy is just increasing. It is just evolving. It is a multi-billion-dollar industry. So yeah.
Excellent. So definitely, for somebody who's thinking of starting now, it's not late. It's like you said, it's evolving. It's going to just get.
Yeah, it's never late.
bigger and
Yeah.
bigger.
No, yeah.
Can you share something about yourself that most of your followers wouldn't know? क्योंकि वो सिर्फ आपकी पोस्ट देखते हैं, लेकिन आपको शायद नहीं जानते होंगे.
Yeah.
तो कुछ ऐसा कुछ बता सकते हैं आपके बारे में?
Yeah, sure. So, मुझे बहुत OCD issues है. Like, yeah, I love things to be, on place, like organized. मुझे नहीं पसंद की चीज़ें बिखरे पड़ी हुई है इधर उधर. So I'm that kind of a person. And again, मुझे ना गंदगी, मतलब हाँ OCD से सेम ही है. गंदगी like stinking socks and all that. मुझे problem है and I can't go to a public washroom. I cannot. I will, hold on. मतलब जब तक मुझे एक space, safe space मिल जाए, साफ सुथरा, तब तक I'll just keep on holding. I can't go and pee in random places. Yeah.
Okay, that's interesting.
Oh, that's very interesting, I'm sure.
So like rapid fire round करते हैं,
Yeah.
है ना? This or that, okay?
Yeah.
रणवीर or Ranveer Singh, Ranveer Kapoor or Ranveer Singh as your co-star?
Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranveer Kapoor.
Yeah.
Okay. Alia Bhatt or Kiara Advani as your co-star?
Alia Bhatt.
Alia. Okay. आपके पास दो प्रोड्यूसर आते हैं,
Mm-hmm.
एक हॉलीवुड, एक बॉलीवुड.
Mm-hmm.
दोनों बड़ी कंपनी है. एक यशराज ले लो, एक यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियो.
Okay.
Both are coming and both are giving you blockbuster movies. तो आप किससे लेंगे यार? डेट्स वही हैं.
This is, oh my God, ये बहुत गलत सवाल पूछ लिया आपने. I want to be in both the places, but having said कि मुझे एक choose करना, कैसे कर पाऊंगी यार? Oh my God, I think I'll go with Yash Raj. Yes.
Okay, I hope Yashraj is listening.
Yes.
मेरा आखिरी सवाल,
हम्म
अगर आप ये नहीं करते जो आप करते हैं, influencer
हम्म
तो आपको एक्टर भी बनना है, that's your dream, your next
हम्म
step. What else would you do?
अगर मैं ये नहीं करती,
हाँ, तो क्या करते?
इन्फ्लुएंसर अगर नहीं
नहीं
होती
करते
इस
कि अगर आप एक्टिंग की लाइन में
हम्म
नहीं जाना चाहती या फिर नहीं परस्यू करती, तो क्या करती?
tough one. I think I would have gone for print modeling.
प्रिंट मॉडलिंग.
Yeah,
अच्छा.
yeah.
Thank you so much, Pasha. It was so wonderful to have you. आपने इतना सारा ज्ञान शेयर किया. And viewers, please let's cheer for her कि उनको YRF में रोल मिल जाए. Right? She gets the right.
Then we'll do another podcast coming here again. Yes, on that.
That this was like your lucky.
Exactly, my lucky couch. Yeah, like Karan Johar says.
Karan Johar says, yes. So thank you very much, Pasha. And
My pleasure.
2025, I think you're gonna rock.
Fingers crossed, yeah.
Alright, thanks,
Thank
Pasha.
you. I wanted to say something else because I believe in Nazar actually.
Pasha.
Shall I say about it? About the acting line? Shall I say? I should.
Good.
Are you sure?
Uh.
Okay, yeah, let's start it. I'll start with my thing only, na.